today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Looking better.
Definitely need some new sheathing on the outside here. Let's get in there, boys. And got to do the skirting. It should look pretty good then. Look at that dirty door now though. You have to wash that door, huh? Jeez. Got someone trying to hide up in there, eh? Well, that's a big one. Hey, Mr. Frog. You're gonna have to move later. Yeah, she's sunk. Oh yeah. That's a pretty good sized boat too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's been there a while.
Look at the bird side. The boat kind of sunk in the water. Yeah, that's cool. The bird's out there drying his fucking wound off. All the people about the inside street.
Kings Bay. See him on my camera?
Yep, now I do. Two of them, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I thought it was.
Pretty good size.
Yeah. They're just catching some rays. Up there, one evening.
Work faster. Daylight's running out. Watch that floor. Oh yeah, you can see where the water was pouring in.
Oh, right here.
Oh yeah. Step on a beam.
Yeah.
But look at the ceiling. There ain't a leak in the ceiling.
Got birds nest.
Oh yeah, one attacked me last night. Yeah, see that? What the hell? The door's dropped, huh?
Oh man. Hey.
Wow. That's a furnace in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, watch this. Looks like it bows down.
Oh yeah. It's brand new.
So it's got one bedroom on that end.
It's got 2 bedroom maybe.
A little bit of an improvement, except for the clutter.
Oh, that's not too bad.
No, floor's a little soft in here. Hey, it's got its own bathroom. Yeah.
That's pretty weird.
Must be shower or something.
Closet.
Oh,
Oh, there's a leak.
Oh, that's not too bad.
And there's the ground. Huh. A lot better. Getting there. Thanks for all the help. Chris, Loretta, my mom, Donnie. A lot of help. Did you get it?
Yeah, we got it.
A little more? You speed it up a little bit. It's getting dark. Almost done. Still got to do that peak. And I can do that finishing trim. Finish painting. Rural King. It's the best place to pick up chicks. Rural King.
Chick, 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 chick. These ones are bigger.
That's sad. They closed them all. Man. Well, it's not new skirting, but definitely it's gonna look a little better. Kitty.
Gizmo, you're small but mighty.
Yeah.
Mirror?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.